Oh man, I'm excited.
I know, I can see your eyes.
Off the leash. What's that?
It was all yesterday at 3 o'clock.
Oh, really? Well, let's see if anybody left me anything.
Yeah. Good luck with that. There weren't very many people here, though. That would be your advantage.
Yeah. You never know. Hush puppies. Ooh. It's a cool figure. It's broken though. Cane. Bronson. Interesting tape too. Private Road. Polar Express. When did that come out? 2005, baby. I wonder if that's any good. I don't think it is. I think I've found it before. The Name of the Rose. Boyfriend's Back. It's a good movie. I think that's a cleaner copy than the one I've got. No. No, it is what it is. I'm here to have fun.
That's right.
You know me. Whoa. Dude, isn't that Full House? What the hell?
Not about.
Oh yeah. Vinyl. Air Supply.
Oh, you know you want that, Davis.
No. You want them? Go. Born to Be Alive. Oh, where's the sales at? They're over.
Yeah.
Oh, you just getting started. I thought there was a, what was it, US 40?
Yeah, I did that yesterday.
You did that yesterday, huh? With Sean?
I saw Sean met up for beer.
A beer. Holy shit, he's mean. mean as hell. Look at that, Larry.
What's his name?
I don't know. He's mean though.
Your buddy's down there.
Bryce Man?
Eric.
Yeah, I saw Eric.
Bryce Man's always here.
Usually. Unless it's Tuesday. You missed it all.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. I got all the brass. And I'm charging double.
Go for it.
That's Look at that.
A lot of plush.
That's my specialty.
I know it is.
Plush Man. What's this? Little young raccoon poster.
You do that good?
No, I just got a bunch
Oh,
of junk.
look at all that
Look.
stuff. Gee whiz, look at all that stuff.
Oh, that guy will get you. Jack Jersey. There's Jack Jersey again.
Remember when this guy was the shit? That ain't never been opened.
Garth Brooks. Sealed.
Ernest Tubb.
I just want this guy with the chicken.
It's chicken.
That's a double right there. Got the rattle. Isn't this the Olsons?
Yeah, it looks like it.
This is a grail right here. Holy shit. Whoa. No way. Grail.
All right, y'all saw me do this last year, and we're going to do it again. And that is the Gutter Garbs mystery T-shirts from the Memorial Day sale. I ended up getting 2. They were $12 a piece. I have no idea what's in here, so let's rip into this and see what I got. And our first pull is... I'm not going to look at it. Please be good, please be good. Oh my God, this thing's huge. The 2X's are getting bigger every year. Holy crap, it's Critters. That's sick. Hell yeah. I am a huge fan of Critters, mostly Critters 2. I think Critters 2 is the best out of the bunch. But look at this shirt. This is amazing. This is sick. I didn't even see this on the site when I was looking, so definitely pumped to get the Critter shirt. I'm going to say we're doing pretty well with the Critter shirt, so let's see if we can get a 2 for 2 and get another banger here. Let's see. We've done it, y'all. We have done it.
Give me the amulet, you bitch!
And both comfort colors. The Monster Squad. How sick is that? This is amazing. This is the best 2 pulls I've ever got on mystery t-shirts. Definitely gonna be doing this again next year or anytime they do mystery tees. Just awesome artwork and both on comfort colors. Like, that's pretty good. That's great quality. And I'm very hyped to get the Monster Squad and Critters. Now let's get back to the bins.
I want your honest opinion on this.
Who are they?
Orleans? What's that say?
I've heard
Orleans.
Yeah, I've heard of the group. I can't remember.
That
What's your
doesn't do
honest
anything for
opinion?
me. But it's interesting. They have beards like you two do.
Beards. They are a bunch of, well, not him. That
No,
kind of looks
that
like a
one-
young Bryce right there to me.
Looks like 3.
What the hell are you talking about?
A young Bryce.
Thank you.
Yeah.
No, you tell it's not me because I don't
Look,
have it.
he's almost touching that nipple. That's a little
Oh, yeah,
weird.
that other one's pretty close too. Turned over. Hey, he's pretty cool.
He got,
He
yeah.
is.
He got a handful.
So,
Wait a minute. That guy is getting a handful.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's his arm, isn't it?
now, seriously,
It's this guy's arm. He got a long arm.
do you recognize this?
No.
The singers or what?
Yeah, it's a
They're
vinyl.
Called Orleans.
Look, so they don't have clothes on in here, but they got clothes on inside. Usually it's opposite.
They were feeling nudie.
Yeah.
Is it worth anything?
I don't think so. I just thought maybe you'd be interested in it.
No, you didn't.
He looks
You
like
just
one of the
wanted-
Bee Gees.
You just wanted to harass me.
Looks like a bunch of professional bowlers to me.
That's funny. Professional bowler.
I don't even know what I mean by that. Weren't you looking for this one? No?
No, not me. Might be worth money though. Never know.
Look how long this guy's arm is. This guy's got a long arm.
That's crazy.
Here you go, Eric.
Is it worth anything?
$10.
Well, that's not bad.
I'm talking about how long this guy's arm is.
What the AI?
Notice they have beards. You have a beard. You have a beard. You have a beard. Are you going to?
Can you not grow one?
No. You're going to strip and have a picture like this.
All right, so the three
could.
beardies. Then we need somebody with a mustache, and then this is you. This is young Bryce right here.
I'm just saying, just having a good time.
Chased me out of there. Here,
Yeah.
I got this for
out there
you.
once. I went out past Greenfield. I didn't see it.
Bedwetting alarm. I think you need that,
No. Well, you got a
Some
point.
people advertise
I'm probably
they're open
closer
on
to it than you are.
man. I haven't pissed the bed in like 5 years.
Consider me Miles Davis.
I'm terrible at it.
Maybe that long.
What? We gotta move. Isn't this old?
It's chicken. It's fried chicken. It's fried chicken.
Here. Seriously, I'm not sure.
See, this was out here earlier. Did they even change that?
Yes.
They did?
I think so.
What?
Copper.
Oh yeah. Here, let me take that for you. Lego man, Lego. Just in time. Just in time. No, it's not been great. Not for me, at least. I don't know. I've never seen this.
It says Pac-Man, it's old.
Yeah, it looks old.
What is it?
Is that a dead bunny?
It's a baby rabbit. No, it's live.
No, man. I got a little baby bunny at home too.
There was 3 underneath that one.
Oh wow. I've got a baby bunny out back. I've got a mallard duck who made a nest up front.
Watch him.
I had the baby robins for a little bit. I don't know what's going on this year. We got a shit ton of frogs all over the place.
I have not seen a frog at my place in years.
They're everywhere at my house. All right, well, I'm gonna head out.
Don't look back. I'm right behind you.
Thanks for
See you maybe tomorrow.
thanks for all the assistance today. I needed it.
That toy thing.
It's like, I don't know. Somebody sold one for 12, somebody sold one for 30.
Oh.
And there's quite a few listed, but I'm gonna grab it. But, all right.
I'll look for your next episode.
All right. I'll try to get it out tonight. You know who that is?
No.
The Olsen twins. You ever see Full House?
What TV series?
Full House.
No.
You never saw Full House? All right, so outlet wise, nothing too crazy. I think Polar Express is pretty good. Maybe like a $20 VHS. But that little bear, he might be good, but he doesn't have his tag, so I couldn't really figure him out on Lynn, so I got to do some more research on him. But overall, it was just a day. Nothing crazy. So I stopped in at Walmart because I needed to get some American Dew, Diet American Dew, and we're gonna have some of this. And I got pretty lucky in there because I got the last pack of Pokemon cards in there. Got one little blister of Chaos Rising. So let's see what we can get out of here. I dropped it. It's in between the seats and I can't get it. Hold on. Oh my god, if this has the Greninja in it and I mess it up, I'm gonna be sad. Holy crap. That fell right in a place where I can't get my big fingers in there. Oh. Alright, I got it. One pack. See what we got here. Is that Vulpix? I can't see. What'd we get? Nothing. God dang, I've got that holo at least 3 times already. Got the Froakie reverse. I already got that. So the one pack magic did not happen for me today. So that's how it goes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna go home. We got some stuff to do for the kids tonight, and I think I'm gonna go home and relax for a little bit before we dive into all that. But as always, guys, I want to thank you so much for liking, commenting, hyping, hitting that subscribe button, sharing, all the things you guys do for me here. I appreciate y'all. And until next time, have a great weekend. Take care and keep the thrift alive. I don't really know what good content is, but that wasn't it.